I'm Video Jen, and I'm ready to roll in Chicago with Hangsterfers. So join us for a day at the International Manufacturing Technology Show. Hangsterfers has a great booth here this year, and we're going to check it out now.
We make metalworking fluids, coolants, cutting oils, machine lubes, dielectric fluids, cleaners, and rust inhibitors. So we lead with sustainability, health, safety, and environmental first.
So the purpose of cutting oils is to lubricate and cool the parts that are being manufactured in a lot of these machines that you see here at IMTS. Reducing friction, therefore making it easier to cut and coming out with better finishes on your metal products. Hangsterfer specializes in metalworking fluids for the aerospace, medical and dental, and high-performance racing industries.
Antron Brown is part of our motorsports sector.
We're pretty much involved with every race team that you see on the track each weekend for NHRA.
So in our booth today, we have Schutte grinders from Germany.
Pretty much any type of cutting tool you can manufacture in this machine. We are actually manufacturing the end mills. The end mills are made to machine the engine blocks to high precision tolerances. You need to have the cooling efficiency when the tool is actually cutting, and that's what's provided by Hangsterfers. Kennametal provided us with the carbide blank, and then Schutte, of course, and then we have Hangsterfers providing the oil. And then we have a nice little case that we're putting this in. We're handing it out to customers at the show here. We have also different drivers in the booth today, and they're going to be here signing the case as well.
Now let's check out what the dragster champs are doing here at the Hangsterfers booth.
I'm Victoria Wiener, and I'm a race car driver. I just won the PDRA 2024 Pro Stars in my Hangsterfers Junior Dragster. Hangsterfers products are oil and lubes, and you can use almost all their products, whether it's on a bicycle chain or a top fuel dragster. And now I'm going to kick it off to Antron Brown for more.
This is Antron Brown, three-time NHRA Top Fuel World Champ, and I'm sitting here with Angelle Sampey, NHRA three-time World Champion. You add together, that's 6. And people always ask me at the racetrack, what is Hangsterfers Metalworking Solutions? They make products for every situation. You see that? To make your parts and to make your machine time and make your tool life better. Just saying, if you want to be the best, you have to use the best. Hangsterfers Metalworking Solutions.
I'm the driver of the Hangsterfers A-Fuel Dragster, and thankfully we have Hangsterfers behind us with all the parts, lubricants that we get to use in our machine shop, and all the machine shops that provide what we need for me to go really, really fast.
My name's Sachman. I race Hangsterfer's Top Dragster and NHRA drag racing. I recently won the U.S. Nationals with this trophy right here. It's the biggest race in drag racing. It's considered the Super Bowl of drag racing. Hangsterfers makes over 300 different products. The biggest thing is they're safe for breathing and dealing with your hands because you're using it all the time, so that is an added plus.
I thought I'd take this opportunity to walk around and talk to some of the exhibitors who use Hangsterfers and see what they have to say.
Today in our booth, we are running all Hangsterfers cutting fluids. When it comes to CNC machining, cutting fluids and lubricants helps remove the chips and removes the heat so you can make an accurate part, and it helps prolong tool life so you can machine more parts with the same tool and get better costs.
Everything is basically moved by our Sodic motion controller to make sure that we have the correct spark gap in all of our machining. Hangsterfers oil really does a really good job making sure we get all that debris out, and it really coexists with our linear motors so that without any flushing involved. And you can only do that with rigid linear motor drives and with good oil.
We have 2 high pressure pumps working together in parallel. In this case, we're using Hangsterfer's 5070 oil, which is very environmentally friendly and it protects the system for longevity and lifetime.
This is an M08 SY2 Tsunami, and we're using Hangsterfer's 5090. It's a great product that we all use in our industry for the fact that they have great reliability, the quality is impeccable, and customer service is always on time.
The Hangsterfer products that we use mostly are the whey lubes and some hydraulic oils. In a machine tool, there is so much to worry about. It's nice to have a product that's going in, lubricating, and it's just something that we don't have to worry about.
Thanks for joining us for a day at IMTS. For more information, contact your local Hangsterfers distributor.